Alright, welcome again to another tutorial of the topic probabilities. So in this tutorial we're going to study the principle of combination. So in the previous tutorial we studied the principle of permutations, but in this tutorial we're going to study the principle of combination. Now I like to talk about combinations by comparing it with permutations. What's the difference between the two? So the most important difference is that in permutation, arrangement is considered. So you consider the arrangement of the objects you select. So arrangement is considered. While in combination, arrangement is, let me write it well, not considered. Is not considered. So this is a major difference. So each permutation is called an arrangement. Each permutation is called arrangement. While for combination, each combination is called a what? Is called a selection. Each combination is called a selection. So now, if you want to know more about the definitions of permutations and combinations, watch this tutorial in the playlist of algebra, factorial notations, permutations, and combinations. I'm going to provide the link of this tutorial in the description section down there. So check it out. Now, what's the formula for combination? So n combination r is given by n factorial divided by n minus r factorial times r factorial. So this one is the formula of n combination r. Yes, so this is the formula of n combination r. What does n combination r means? It means you select r objects out of, you select r out of n. This is what it means, n combination r. So this is just a short definition of the principle of combination. See this tutorial, factorial notation, permutation, and combination for a detailed definition. Let's see examples now. Okay, here hapa ni example 1, anasema a group of students consists of 4 girls and 7 boys. So una 4 girls and what? And 7 boys. So out of these, you want to choose a team of 5 members. Sindio, you want to choose a team of 5 members. Na hii team, it must have at least 1 boy and at least 1 girl. Manake nini? So it must have at least 1 boy and at least 1 girl. So what does this mean now? This is what it means. Timu sina watu watano Kwa hiyo at least 1 boy. Maana inawezekana kukawa kuna 1 boy and 4 girls. Sindio? Au inawezekana ni 2 boys and 3 girls. Au inawezekana ni 3 boys and 2 girls. Au inawezekana ni 4 boys and 1 girl. So ndo maana ya nini hiyo? Ndo maana ya I mean the team should have at least 1 boy and 1 girl. So remember now, initially tuna 7 boys and nini and 4 girls. So in our first case, if we're going to select 1 boy out of 7, kwenye case ya kwanza, it means how many selections we're going to have is 7 combination 1. Yes, and if we're going to select 4 girls out of 4, how many selections are we going to have? It's 4 combination 4. So here case 1, in total, how many selections going to have? It wants 7 combination 1 times 4 combination 4. Ambayo sasa na nini? Ambayo 7 combination 1 ni 7. Sasa alafu ukitumia calculator yako au ukifanya kwa kichwa utajua mwenyewe. Alafu 4 combination 4 ni 1. So itakuwa ni 7. Kesi ya pili sasa, ukichagua 2 2 boys out of 7, how many selections? Ni 7 combination 2. Alafu ukichagua 3 girls out of 4 ni 4 combination 3. So 7 combination 2 ni ngapi? Ni 7 factorial over 7 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial, ambayo itakuwa ni 7 times 6 times 5 factorial over 5 factorial times 2 factorial. Huyu naona anaondoka, huyu naona baki ngapi? Baki 3. So inakuwa ni 21. So case 2 hapo tutakuwa tuna 21 times 4 combination 3 ni 4. 21 times 4. Ambayo sasa na nini? 84. Case yetu tatu, now if you choose 3 boys out of 7 ni 7 combination 3. Yeah. Case yetu tatu ni 7 combination 3 times 2 girls out of 4 ni 4 combination 2. So 7 combination 3 ni 35, you can use your calculator. Afu 4 combination 2 sasa itakuwa like 4 factorial, so it's 4 minus 2 factorial times 2 factorial. That's just 4 factorial over 2 factorial times 2 factorial. It's going to be 6. So 35 times 6. Ambayo ni sasa na ngapi? 210. So kwenye hii case yetu ya mwisho now, if you choose 4 boys out of 7, inakuwa ni 7 combination 4. 1 girl out of 4, inakuwa ni 4 combination 1. The total number of selection. 7 combination 4 ni 35. 4 combination 1 ni 4. So 35 times 4 tunapata nini? Tunapata 100 and what? And 40. Yeah, so in order to get the total number of ways, the total number of selections, I'm going to plus huyu na huyu na huyu na huyu. So 7 plus 4 is 11, 1 you carry 1. 8 plus 1 is 9, 9 plus 1 is 10, 10 plus 4 is 14, you carry 1, 4. So nataka, in how many ways can a team of 5 members be selected whereby at least one is a boy and at least one is a girl, eh? I mean at least you have 1 boy and 1 girl, whereby mwanzoni tulikuwa tuna 7 boys and 4 girls. So the number of ways ni 441. So this one now is the answer for example 1. So jibu hapa, let me write it here. Jibu ni 441 ways. This is the answer. Let's now do example 2. Example 2 anasema out of 5 mathematicians, a committee of 4 mathematicians has to be made in how many ways? So you select 4 out of 5, ni 5 combination 4, very straightforward. Itakuwa ni 5 factorial, 5 minus 4 factorial times 4 factorial. This is just going to be 5. The answer is 5. So in how many ways? Ni 5 ways. So example 2 was very straightforward. You select 4 out of 5. So in how many ways? Jibu ni 5 ways. Hiyo ni example 2. Let's see example 3, concept of combination. Example 3 anasema suppose we have 6 adults and 4 kids as an audience of a certain show. Kwa hiyo kuna watu wazima 6 na watoto 4 wapo kama watazamaji hivi wa show fulani hivi. So find the number of ways the host can select 3 persons from the audience. So mtu anataka kuchagua watu 3 kutoka hawa 10. The choice must be 2 kids and 1 adult. So out of 4 kids achague 2, afu out of 6 adults achague 1. Yeah, ndo hivyo. So 6 combination 1 ni 6. 4 combination 2 tulifanya kwenye example 1. Inakuwa ni ngapi? Inakuwa na yenyewe ni 6. So in how many ways now? Okay, find the number of ways ni nini? 36 ways. This is example 3. Let's now see example 4. Example 4 anasema how many triangles can you make using 4 non-collinear points? So triangle has 3 points, lakini you want to make a triangle kwa kutumia 4 points. So you're only going to choose 3 out of 4. Kwa hiyo ni 4 combination 3. What's the answer there? The answer is 4 using your calculator. Yeah, 4 combination 3. The answer is 4. So how many ways? Ni 4 ways. This is the answer of example 4. Let's see example 5. Example 5 anasemaje? Example 5 anasema in a class there are 12 boys and 10 girls. The teacher wants to select a boy and a girl to represent the class in a function. So out of 12 boys you select 1 boy, so select a boy. Out of 10 girls you select 1 girl. Okay, in how many ways? Kwa ndo hiyo 12 combination 1 ni 12, 10 combination 1 ni 10, so it's 120 what? Ways. Remember now, n combination 1 is what? N. Yeah, ndo maana nje ya rahisi zaidi. So 120 ways. Kwa hiyo ni combination na hiyo ni mifano mbalimbali. Let me say by the way, kabla sijamaliza hii video, nitaweka kwenye link baadhi ya video ambazo nimetengeneza kwenye hii concept ya combinatorics, then tutaziangalia kuona mifano mingine. Let me say see you in the next tutorial.